If you want to start a small business with your Cricut, but you're stuck on what projects to sell, this tutorial is for you. And no, I'm not going to be telling you to sell t-shirts, Libby cups, or wood signs. We're getting creative today. You will learn 10 very unique Cricut projects that will make you money with your Cricut so you can start selling now. And who knows, maybe that dream of you starting a craft business with your Cricut will actually come true after all. So let's get straight into today's video. The first unique Cricut project that you can sell is a very common craft project. You can make hundreds of variations of this product, and it is a car decal. One thing about people is that they are very proud and eager to share with the world what their personal interests are. And one way to share them with the world is by adding a custom car decal to their car. Car decals can be made with your Cricut and adhesive vinyl that's permanent, because we want it to last, right? All you have to do as the business owner is add transfer tape to the decal with application instructions, and your product is ready to be shipped. That's why this is number one. It is that easy to start selling this today. The Cricut does most of the work for you. So a product that is easy to make, low in cost, and easily personalizable is a money-making product, and also a no-brainer. The second Cricut project you can start selling today is a very cute toy for little ones, or a home decoration. It is a stuffed animal. Apply HTV to the foot of a bear or the ear of a bunny to easily personalize. You can make these for newborn babies, parents of toddlers, and if you struggle to find wholesale suppliers for your business, I can make an entirely separate video on that, so let me know in the comments. But Google is a great place to start if you're struggling. So try selling stuffed animals with your Cricut. If you still need more product ideas to start your craft business, you can grab my new ebook that lists over 200 plus creative product ideas that you can start selling with your cutting or laser machine. This ebook is perfect for you if you're thinking of starting a business or if you're struggling to find a creative craft product to sell. I know how hard and time consuming it is to start and launch a craft business from scratch. So I hope this ebook can inspire and help you to start making money as soon as possible. I will have my ebook linked in the comments and the video description for you to check out. But back to the third unique Cricut project you can start selling today. You will want to start selling this product because not only is it a very unique product, but it has a very specific niche. And in this case, that's a very good thing. It is a cooking apron. Think about all the different occasions that someone can purchase a cooking apron. Maybe it's for your cousin that just started culinary school, or it's for the couple in your life that just got married. Cooking aprons can be heat pressed with HTV, DTF transfers, or even sublimated. The reason why it's on this list is because if you're someone that knows how to sew and make the apron yourself, that's why you can literally make it today. You can head to your local fabric store, order fabric online wherever you choose to get it from, sew that item, heat press the design you want, and it's ready to be shipped. Or again, you don't have to be a sewer to have a craft business. You can find a wholesale supplier to help you get the blank aprons, or go on Amazon because that's where I found mine. Try making cooking aprons with your Cricut to start selling today. This next product idea is in high demand and will always be in high demand. The fourth Cricut project that you can start selling now is an invitation. People will always be throwing events like parties and celebrations, and a custom invitation sets the tone for all guests invited. It's the first thing that they see right when it comes into the mail, and it lets the guests know all about the event, like the attire, the theme, when it's happening. And the best part about owning a cutting machine like the Cricut is not having to hand cut any invitation. So say goodbye to your scissors and paper cutter. The Cricut does it for you. Getting materials like cardstock, I've seen business owners actually make their own handmade paper, is why you can make it now. You're not waiting for someone to make the blank for you and to ship it over. You can literally get cardstock for a very cheap price or make it yourself if you have the room and space for it. You can even expand your small business to not only just sell invitations, but to sell other stationery items like party favors, game cards, and so much more. So try selling invitations with your Cricut machine today. Number 5 is a product you can immediately start making because the amount of supplies you need to make it are very slim. And the 5th Cricut project you can start selling is a cupcake topper. Glue, a toothpick, and the topper design. Did I miss anything else? I know you need your Cricut, but that's basically it. Cupcake toppers are a simple product to sell with your Cricut and to sell for event companies or party planners. Bonus tip here, try looking into making connections with local bakeries or cake shops, especially for events events like weddings, because that's where you'll make the big orders and the big bucks. Not only will you be selling your cupcake toppers online and shipping them, but you're also making in-person connections, which is so important as a small business owner. Some of the best advice I can share with you is to network as much as possible with customers and small business owners, especially if you want to scale and expand your business. The sixth Cricut project that you can start selling with your Cricut today is pants. Now, I could have said that you can start selling a t-shirt or a crew neck sweatshirt, and there's nothing wrong with selling t-shirts or crew neck sweatshirts. But how many times can I promote selling very common item like t-shirts when there's another apparel item that people need too, people need to wear pants, and you can easily make with your Cricut. Pants can be sold as a unique costume, a concert outfit, attire for dance class. The variations are endless, and when you really niche down with your pants product, you will be regretting not making pants sooner. And again, for someone that knows how to sew or go thrifting and drop custom collections, people are going to love it because it's a custom, unique product that you cannot get anywhere else. These are just all the ideas that run through my head. I have so many. I'm here to help and share. Please let me know if this video is helping you so far. Okay, on to lucky number 7. I've mentioned this product before in my previous videos and had my very own successful craft business with this one particular product. It is a doormat. While this product does require a lot of supplies and time, the reason why it's on today's list is because of how profitable this one product is. I've seen multiple shops make strictly just doormats with various colors, sizes, and custom sayings, making thousands every single month. So if you're one of those people and you're looking to scale, please share that in the comments. The 8th Cricut project you can start selling with your Cricut today is by far one of the easiest Cricut projects to make because it's all in the hands of the customer. It's a coloring book or coloring pages. If you love to draw or own commercial use images, you can turn those images into outlines, print them out, and start selling them like now. I've seen a handful of crafters also make slots in the coloring page for crayons or colored pencils. This can be very interactive and a great favor for parties. Or if you strictly just want to draw and not actually print the coloring pages, you can sell your digital drawings as digital templates. Then the customer can literally just print them out on their own. Now you're making money from a product you made once and are making passive income in your sleep. The supplies for making coloring pages and books are pretty slim and easy to get, which is why it's a product you can start selling with your Cricut today. Cricut project number 9 is another item that is in a very specific niche. It is a luggage tag. Traveling just became more fun with a personalized luggage tag. Oh, and is your customer traveling to another country? Add passport holders to your shop too, because one of the best systems to have in your small business is the add-on system. This is where you create a very specific high-ticket item, but then create another high-ticket item that can be used with that first product. I literally just made this up on the spot, but it's called the add-on system because that second high-ticket item can be added into your customer's cart and creates more sales for your shop. People will always be traveling, and a custom luggage tag makes finding a luggage at baggage claim much easier in a sea of 75 bags. Luggage tags should be made out of softer materials like leather, felt, and these supplies you can easily order or make yourself and get from your local craft store. The last Cricut project you can start selling today is a keychain. There's a reason why this particular item made it in my top 2024 Cricut project ideas video. Keychains are a very popular product to sell, and you can make a lot of profit from them. This product idea is also low in cost and a smaller item, so shipping is not costly. So get creative with your designs and start selling keychains with your Cricut today. Will you be selling any of these Cricut projects I've mentioned in today's video? If you need even more product ideas to sell with your Cricut, be sure to grab your ebook in the video description and comments. And if this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to my channel for weekly videos every Monday on craft business tip videos, Cricut projects, and so much more. Thank you as always for watching. I hope you have a very crafty day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way.